there, this is Rose with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland. On today's episode, we have 3 topics for you. First up, we asked the contractor, how should I deal with meals during a kitchen renovation project? Next up, we talk about the definition of a scope of work. Lastly, John provides 5 tips on what not to do during a bathroom remodel project. Stay tuned. Five things not to do during a bathroom remodel project. Let's ask the contractor for some tips. John?
Yeah, sure. Let me tell you what not to do when you're doing a bathroom remodel. Number 1, do not use standard drywall. You need to get moisture-resistant drywall. Do not use flat paint. It's better to use an eggshell or a satin, again, for moisture. Number 3, do not use a standard height toilet. They're just too low and it's hard on the knees. You can get an 88 toilet. Number 4, don't use drywall anchors to hang your paper holder or your towel bars. They'll just pull right through the wall. You need to have blocking. And number 5, it may sound strange, do not use a shower curtain for a shower. Get a glass door in order to keep water from spilling onto your floor. So they're my 5 not the do's.
Today on Ask the Contractor, we'd like to know, are there any tips for cooking meals during a kitchen renovation project? People lose access to their sink, to their fridge, to the basic stuff that they have in their kitchen during a renovation project. So what should they do? John, do you have any pointers?
Sure, Rose. First thing, you want to talk to your contractor. See if there's a way to put your refrigerator into a different room so it can be plugged in and you can have a place to store food. Secondly, when it comes to plates and glasses and silverware, use disposables. And thirdly, there's a lot of equipment that you can use to cook while your oven and your range is disconnected. You can barbecue outside. You can get a toaster oven or a air fryer or a crock pot. So there's a lot of things that you may own now or you can purchase, and most of those items I just listed are going to be under $100.
It's Terminology Tuesday, the day of the week where we pick a construction term and we talk about it. Today's term is scope of work. John, what's a scope of work?
Scope of work. A scope of work is very important. That is the list of items that your contractor is going to provide for you. That list should be included in your contract. It would include things such as, we're going to install a sink. We're going to install 6 outside lights. We're going to install a faucet. We're going to install a tile floor. And it should be detailed. The more detailed it is, the better it will be for you and your contractor so that you both have a full understanding of what to expect when this project is getting done.
We hope today's episode has been informative. If it is, like, share, and follow our page. See you next time.